Hi, my name is Takoya Urbina, and I have been using Yelani's hair care products for about a year. Um, I started using after I cut my hair almost a year ago, and I have specifically been using the elixir for thicker, longer hair, and I have seen growth. I didn't really need it for the thickness. I have thick hair, but for the growth, I have seen um, length growing. So my hair was short. It was about this long when I started. So it has grown a significant amount in a little almost a year. Um, I did take some photos of the most recent product that I used, which was the hair mask. So as far as the hair mask consistency, it looked like the texture of a very smooth guacamole. Um, and it was very creamy. I put it in the fridge, so it was very cold and very creamy, and it was very very moisturizing. So you can see in the photo, I coated my hair thoroughly with it. I had dampened my hair and then coated it. So it was very covered. Um, I then placed it in clamps and then put a cap on and left it for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And when I took it down, I washed it out and then followed that with a conditioner. And I immediately saw the difference. I usually have shrinkage when I finish washing my hair, but it left my hair elongated, so the curls were heavy and they were hanging down. Um, and then I followed that with the elixir. And for me, I do a very simple braid out. I don't do a wash and go. I always do a braid out because I have multiple texture hairs, like 5 different textures in my head. So a braid out is always consistent with me. So I parted my hair in about 7 parts and I used the elixir, and then I followed that by coating it with shea butter to lock in the moisture. And I left that in for about a day and a half. And I just took it out this morning. And as you can see, my locks are very shiny. It's very soft, very moisturized. I will separate the parts so that it'll be thicker, but I mean, the shine on this is incredible, and it's very soft, very easy to comb through, very easy to manipulate. So I give all of her products like a 10 out of 10, but the mask was a treat and it was very nourishing for my hair, which it needed it desperately. And I highly suggest this oil is super thick, very very dense with nutrients, and you can see the herbs that are in it. So I absolutely love this. I swear by this. So look at the pictures, the before and the after, and see for yourself if it works for you. I would definitely try it regardless and see how your hair takes to it. But 10 out of 10, I love it. And Yelani's products are definitely for me and my family.